Kani kadega batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now. Kani kadega batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Katkom ke Jingkran tikena jong ke sorkar jela Khñiang Jingpang corona hakani ke jela Meghalaya umpat yo bandrung setia Henry wat la kataru kidan ki Shnong pat ki bam khensteng ye kani da ka ba pikir ba ban penne ye ke jingkhoj ye ka saudong saukon ha ki Shnong ki thau jongki dang ha ka arp khondai trek mentau benai ber arajar arpo kador ba Shnong Laban kalat penlong da ka jinglai Synreit Dawai Pynïap Khñiang ha Baroh Kawei ke Shnong da ka ba peran kam dau Dawai kuli belatep kerteng kum bakte free tablet katkom ke jing mon da Kawei ke kanhon hapo ke jelam jong abhishek singhania hagani ke singi kene ke kanhon jong sun Shnong rengkat ke jingdan lang ki pulen kene ke kanhon kala let Synreit Dawai Pynïap Khñiang hakaleng ki kendong konshrat ki kenro ki jingker kenro da kinar ki baran hasilen ter karot surok hakaleng ki dong hakathain Laban. Kane ke kanhon jong abhishek singhania kebala ajing mod ya kadar basnang ban Synreit Dawai Pynïap Khñiang da ka bakhle do Dawai kuli bakte free tablet bat ka kom bakalong menta kalalej hakaleng ki Shnong hakani kanong ba Shillong rengkat ka jingis to jing mod lang bat ki bor sin Shnong.
Yes. Kani kadika kam jeng wei NGO asuk singgania te ya kren apo dar barsang ba ulang wai hidak ben masih menjong kan ba ya kren ong ban spray gini disinfectant ba area jong Shnong Laban kan te hakata ka nongrim jeng yemi lang Shnong ba ka police department baginya lekat bangila kiti kaman kan mentak Shnong te kan kani kan petek man kasngi ne mentang ngadang di ke first dia barang ile municipal lawan teng po municipal du kila le dan uni orang wan dang suan temai dang sikundu mata naksan ni Te I hope bagi nang le shoot nang nesmat.
See, this is a tablet called sodium dichloroisonurate. It's a molecule NADCC, which is already recommended by the government of India in its guidelines from for the kayak of this cleaning and disinfection of the thing. So we came up with this idea with the Ningrim's hospital. They really liked it. With BSF we are already using it, and they are already using it for their disinfection of the water and other places. And since corona has been hit in India, it is always very better. It's always better to disinfect the areas with this tablet. If you mix the tablet in a certain percentage of water, in 15 liters, if you mix some water in one tablet, it will give a better result for disinfection. When we are sneezing or something, the bacteria or viruses get spread. And once you spray all these things, it gets disinfected in one way. It's a good thing. Even BSF and Ningrim's hospital are using it. This tablet comes in a jar of 150 tablets. The MRP for that one is 1,500 rupees. So per tablet costing around only 10 rupees. It should be used almost everywhere. Since this is our tablet, we are promoting it out here. We are doing it almost all the localities. Yesterday we have done it in Lower Lashamia, Police Bazaar, Auckland. Tomorrow we are doing in Smith area. We are also doing it in Ningrim's hospital. And Laban also was done by us today. We always recommended to do it maybe in 7 days time, every week. Yeah. If it can be afforded, if it can be planned properly, almost alternate days or almost 3 days, 4 days, as per the requirement, depending on the areas.
Actually, we are planning to do entire Shillong. Wherever we get places, any admin he recommend tells us.
You are ready to volunteer.
Yeah, we are ready to volunteer.
We are already doing it. We are already doing it.
We have done in Police Bazaar, we have done in Police Auckland, Lashamia, and today we are going to Polo after 7 o'clock. So Bahek also he told us to do this noble job.
This is just the awareness camp that this tablet should be used. Obviously, for how long means if we hope that the virus gets cured or it becomes stopped completely very soon. But if it goes on for a month or two, we have to continue it. It is recommended to do it every week, almost all the areas. We have got the stock. We are from RGS Enterprise. We are having our stock. We are supplying in other private and government hospitals. We are a dealer for that. This is also recommended for the private. We are doing it in the locality wise. It is also recommended for the household inside also to clean for surface mopping, cleaning the gates inside areas. That is much more required for this thing. We can provide the entire set along with the sprayer. We have to get a generator. This is not a manual sprayer. It is a pressure jet sprayer. And if you want a manual sprayer, we have got manual sprayer also for small areas. But for such a big area, you have to get a pressure jet machine. We have got the pressure jet. We have got the complete set. But the tablet is the main thing. You have to get the proper tablets. This is a Bacta-free 1000. 1000 is the molecule name. 1000 is the strength actually. The tablet comes in this format. The tablet comes in this size, this format. This is not only for cleaning and mopping. This is also for drinking. We can disinfect our overhead tanks, drinking water with this tablet. But the dilution will change.
So it's not poisonous.
No, it's not poisonous. Many people and government is also suggesting sodium hypochlorite, which is the smell is very irritating smell. This is not irritating smell, and plus once it gets into contact with the skin, it's not irritating. But once you are into contact with sodium hypochlorite, it becomes irritation. Your skin gets irritated and you have to wash your hands immediately. But this is not that one. This is also.
It can be used in swimming pool also.
If you see this one, this is recommended for safe drinking bottles. Once the dilution, if you are doing it in 1000 liters, one tablet, your the overhead tanks the water will be clean. This has been tested in Ningrim's hospital.
Yeah.
This has been tested in Ningrim's hospital. We have got the test reports for Ningrim's hospital. We are not just implementing it.
This Bacta-free 10 can be used in 10 liters of water. If a bucket of water is 10 liters, you can put one tablet in there. It will disinfect the water.
We have got a thing.
The small tablets are in this form. It's a small tablet. It's like it can be procured from the pharmacy also. But at present, we are not keeping in the pharmacy. We are promoting this one now. After maybe 2 months, 3 months,
This has been
will be there. This is the guidelines from the
It has been
Kayakal.
in the government of India. It has this tablet has been recommended. There are many more advantages which can be once we can plan it.